Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
First, confirm your site meets Google Adsense eligibility rules before applying. Your site must follow content and webmaster policies without copyright violations. Ensure your site is mostly original and provides clear navigation for users. Build at least 15 to 30 meaningful pages of content and update them regularly. Add an accessible privacy policy, contact page, and about page on the site. Verify your domain ownership and remove excessive pop-ups or autoplay media that block content. Next, sign into Adsense with your existing Google account and submit your site URL. Choose the appropriate account country and set your payment currency when prompted. Adsense will give you a verification code or meta tag to place in your site header. Add the provided code exactly where instructed and then request a site review in the Adsense dashboard. Complete your payment profile with accurate name and mailing address for payouts and tax processing. After approval, place responsive ad units thoughtfully to maximize viewability without hurting UX. Start with up to 3 ad sections per page and test placements above the fold and in content positions. Use responsive ad sizes and avoid excessive ads that reduce engagement or violate policies. Monitor impressions, clicks, and RPM in analytics to optimize layout and content focus. Continue policy compliance, update content regularly, and wait for full monetization before expecting steady earnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.